Did you know that there are spices that repair DNA, fight cancer, and reduce inflammation? Imagine standing in your kitchen surrounded by everyday spices that hold the power to repair DNA, fight cancer, and reduce inflammation. It might sound like magic, but according to Dr. William Li, a renowned physician and author of Eat to Beat Disease, these health benefits are well within reach with the right ingredients. So let's get into it. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, has a history steeped in both traditional medicine and culinary traditions across the globe. Its vibrant yellow hue comes from curcumin, the active compound responsible for its impressive health properties. At the forefront of turmeric's health benefits is its ability to repair DNA damage. Dr. Li highlights curcumin as a key player in this process, noting its potential to prevent mutations that can lead to cancer. Research supports curcumin's role in enhancing DNA repair mechanisms, thus reducing the risk of cancer development. Moreover, curcumin has shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells in various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, lung, and colon cancers. This makes turmeric not just a flavorful addition to dishes, but a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. Inflammation lies at the root of many chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties are well documented, with curcumin acting as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. It works by inhibiting molecules involved in the inflammatory process, providing relief comparable to pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories but without the associated side effects. So, how to use turmeric? Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be both simple and delicious. Here are some easy ways to reap its benefits. 1. Golden milk, a soothing beverage made by mixing warm milk, dairy or plant-based, with turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, which enhances turmeric absorption, and a touch of honey for sweetness. This comforting drink not only warms you from the inside, but also supports your body's healing processes. 2. Curries. Turmeric is a staple in curry recipes, adding both color and flavor. Whether you're making a vegetable curry or a meat-based dish, turmeric blends seamlessly into the rich sauces and enhances the dish's nutritional value. 3. Turmeric roasted vegetables. Tossing vegetables like cauliflower, carrots, and potatoes with turmeric, olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt before roasting brings out their natural sweetness while infusing them with turmeric's health benefits. 4. Turmeric rice. Adding turmeric to rice not only gives it a vibrant color but also imbues it with anti-inflammatory properties, making it a nutritious side dish for any meal. Ginger, with its distinctive spicy flavor and aromatic zest, is another spice that Dr. Li praises for its exceptional health benefits. Like turmeric, ginger has a long history of medicinal use across various cultures. Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol, which possess potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting DNA from oxidative damage, a major contributor to cancer development. Additionally, gingerol has been studied for its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, a type of programmed cell death, in cancerous cells. Chronic inflammation is implicated in numerous health conditions, from rheumatoid arthritis to cardiovascular disease. Ginger's anti-inflammatory effects are well documented, with studies demonstrating its ability to reduce inflammation markers in the body. For individuals suffering from inflammatory conditions like osteoarthritis, regular consumption of ginger may lead to significant improvements in pain and mobility. So, how to use ginger? Ginger's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your daily diet. 1. Cooking. Add freshly grated ginger or ginger powder to stir-fries, soups, and marinades for a burst of flavor and health benefits. Its spicy kick enhances the taste of dishes while providing therapeutic effects. 2. Ginger tea. Steep freshly sliced ginger in hot water to create a soothing and aromatic tea. Adding a touch of honey and lemon enhances its flavor while providing additional health benefits. 3. Ginger smoothies. Blend fresh ginger with fruits like pineapple, mango, and spinach for a refreshing and nutritious smoothie. Ginger adds a zesty flavor and antioxidant properties to your beverage. 4. Ginger. Infused water. Infuse water with slices of ginger and other fruits like lemon or cucumber for a hydrating drink that's both refreshing and health-promoting. Let's explore some delicious recipes that showcase the versatility of turmeric and ginger. Recipe number 1. Golden Turmeric Smoothie. Ingredients include 1 cup almond milk, or your choice of milk, 1 frozen banana, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. The instructions are as follows. 1. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. 2. Pour into a glass and enjoy this nutritious smoothie packed with anti-inflammatory benefits. Recipe number 2. Ginger garlic stir-fry. Ingredients include 1 pound or 450 grams, chicken breast, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced, 3 cloves, garlic, minced, 1 bell pepper, sliced, 1 onion, sliced, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste. The instructions are as follows. 1. Marinate chicken with soy sauce, oyster sauce, minced ginger, and garlic for 15 minutes. 2. Heat oil in a wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Stir-fry chicken until cooked through. 3. Add bell pepper and onion, stir-frying until vegetables are tender crisp. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot with steamed rice for a satisfying meal. Recipe number 3. Turmeric roasted vegetables. Ingredients include assorted vegetables, cauliflower, carrots, potatoes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt and pepper to taste. The instructions are as follows. 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Cut vegetables into bite-sized pieces and place on a baking sheet. 3. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle turmeric powder, salt, and pepper. Toss to coat evenly. 4. Roast in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until vegetables are tender and golden brown. 5. Serve as a side dish or add to salads for a nutritious boost. Recipe number 4. Ginger lemon detox water. Ingredients include 1-inch piece of ginger, thinly sliced, 1 lemon, thinly sliced, 1 cucumber, thinly sliced, fresh mint leaves, 2 liters of water. The instructions are as follows. 1. Combine ginger, lemon, cucumber, and mint leaves in a pitcher. 2. Fill the pitcher with water and refrigerate for at least 2 hours to allow flavors to infuse. 3. Serve chilled over ice for a refreshing and detoxifying drink. So, here are my final thoughts. Incorporating turmeric and ginger into your daily diet is not just about enhancing flavors. It's about harnessing their potent health benefits. These spices, with their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cancer-fighting properties, offer a natural approach to improving overall well-being. Whether you sprinkle turmeric into your morning smoothie or stir-fry ginger with vegetables for dinner, each culinary choice can contribute to your health in meaningful ways. Small changes in diet can lead to significant improvements in how your body functions and feels. So, the next time you reach for spices in your pantry, remember the hidden potential they hold. Embrace the golden touch of turmeric and the fiery punch of ginger, and let these spices work their magic on your journey to better health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.